Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this fluffy, delicious, soft coconut bread. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. So I have 4 eggs, 150 grams of butter, 1/8 spoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, 50 grams of vegetable oil, 2 cups of flour, flavor, coconut milk, I'm using the container one, but you can as well process yours by yourself, and the shredded coconut. So here is the one I'm using, desiccated coconut. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. So let's go into the main business. So I'll add all the dry ingredients together, which is the salt, baking powder and the flour. Mix that very well, put it aside. Then in my bowl I'll be adding in the 150 grams of butter, 1 cup of sugar and 50 grams of vegetable oil. To mix this together until the color change. See that the color is changing. It will become pale and no more dark in yellow. So I'm going to scrape it side by side. We have to do this so that everything will combine very well. Here I will be adding in my flavor. I add in half teaspoon coconut flavor and half teaspoon butterscotch flavor. So I'll be adding in my egg one after the other. That is the second egg. I'll continue to do that until I'm done with the 4 eggs. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm done with the whole egg. Scrape this side again to get everything mixed together very well. So here is my dry ingredients and the wet. which is the coconut milk and the flour. So I'll be alternating the both. I'll add in the flour, mix, then add in the coconut milk until I'm done with everything. It is very simple to make, but very delicious, fluffy. This is the best coconut recipe that you'll get so far. Try it and let me know in the comment section what you feel about it, because I know you are going to love this recipe. It's my best selling coconut recipe. So I'll add in the remaining flour, mix. So I'm going to drop the mixer now so that I'll not over mix. I'll use my spatula to scrape all the side and mix very well. You can see how fluffy, light, you see the texture, very nice. So I'll add in my shredded coconut and mix together. You can add more. I use half cup. You can as well add 1 cup to it. And here we are done with the mixing. See the texture of this, very fine. So I've lined my pan. This butter can go into 7 inches pan, 2 7-inch pan, but for the sake of this video I'm using this loaf pan. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. To our returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. So I'm going to put a topping, which is coconut flakes. I used 2 loaf pan for this. They are ready to go into the oven and it baked for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, the cake is ready. This cake is so soft, so yummy. And it's very good for decoration. In case you want to decorate it, it's the perfect recipe, guys. Try it out. Thank you all for your support. Please keep supporting your girl. Watch my video, like, share and comment down below. See you all in my next one. Bye.